Hi, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you the step number 2, how to create group in the scenes panel by using the move container. Alright, so now after we adjust the project orientation and project location, and after that I'm going to turn off the transform benefits. Alright, so now we need to study first how is our model hierarchy and how it is work. Alright, so right now when I click on the when I expand the model, then we can see the level 1, 2, 3, 4 and other include the item. So currently our model is separated level by level and other railings or other thing. Alright, so right now I'm going to hide everything of the imported model. So I'm going to click on the I, then I will click on it to the level 1, then I will and hide for the level 1 item. Alright, so I will turn off the import. Okay, so right now I'm going to expand the level 1 item. So now I just want to make a group, wall, floor and other category, making separate group by group. Alright, so right now I'm going to make a group for the wall. So some of the wall this got the expand button because this wall is attached to the door panel. So when I click on the wall, then after that I will press the F key on the keyboard. So this one is focused to the selected wall. Then in this wall is attached with the door. So that's a reason we can see the door under the wall. So but I only went to click on the wall. So I will click on the wall, then I will press the control key on the keyboard because I just want to select another wall. Then I will click one after one to all the wall generate. Okay, I will skip for the curtain wall. Alright, so now I have been selected all the wall. Then right now I'm going to create a group. So now I will go to the generate wall, then I will right click on the same group menu, then I'm going to use this move to new container. Just click on it, then I will give the name, I will write down the name level 1 wall. Alright, so when I click on the expand one, then right now this wall I want to move to the top of all the curtain wall. Then I will click on the L1 wall container, then I will manually drag to the top of the wall. Okay, so now I will leave it here. Alright, So the next part is I'm going to making group to all the cutting wall. All right. So right now I'm going to click on it, all the wall, all the cutting wall. Then I will press the shift key on the keyboard. Then I can select all the cutting wall. And after that, I'm going to right click or just click on the scene graph menu. Then I'm going to click the move to new container. So this will be a level 1 cutting wall. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to check. In this case, this wall is included the door, but I don't want to make a group all the wall and door together. So right now I'm going to move the door to the new container again. Okay, so I'm click on the door. Okay, so after that I will go to the scene graph menu again, then click on the move to new container. So this is gonna be level 1 door. Alright, then after that I will move this one to another layer. Then I will, okay, after that level 1 wall. Then after that I will shift down, and okay, after the level 1 cutting wall. Okay, then the railing or the railing part is quite simple, and then we can leave it. Then now I'm going to create a group for the floor. Right now, so now will be planning feature and furniture. So I will click everything in one time, then also create new container again. All right. Okay, so right now we have been create a group based on the category. All right, so see you in the next video. In the next video, I will show you how to create a view set. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.